Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today let's make this awesome chicken Kiev. I'm gonna start with the filling, for which I'm gonna need 100 grams of salt butter, 2 cloves of garlic, bunch of parsley and some pepper. I will chop finely the parsley, mince the garlic, combine everything together, butter, garlic, parsley and freshly ground pepper, and I use just a wooden spoon to mix everything together into a paste. Put the paste in aluminum foil, shape it as a rectangular and have it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I will flatten up 2 chicken breasts in an even layer, spice them up with salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and take that butter from the freezer and wrap them up together. I wrap them in plastic foil and have them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Now let's do the coating. I need 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, salt and pepper, basil, oil for frying, and optional some thin bacon. I will season breadcrumbs with basil, oregano, and the freshly ground pepper. Wrap the bacon around the chicken rolls that have been in the freezer. So coat them in flour, in egg wash, and in breadcrumbs on all sides, and heat up some oil in a pan. Frying oil, I use sunflower oil, but you can use canola as well, and fry them up a few minutes on all sides. After that, put them on an oven tray on baking paper and in preheated oven at 180 Celsius for about 15 minutes. I serve them with sweet potato, a bit of parsley, and some of that oil from the frying of the chicken, of the rolls. It is so delicious, so flavorful, and when you cut into that chicken roll, that butter that melted and is super flavorful will ooze out of the chicken. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe.